Maigite mirugamo yao ya kidini thi atongoria age Kristiano aithiramu oro hamwe na kihindi manyitanire hamwe kuhoera bururi.
And the way God you have brought all of us together in the faith, I pray, Father, you hear our cry because we all belong unto you.
Riri twerekeire githurano-ini ihoya riao kuri ya Kenya nimetikire gukinyiriria kihoto kiao gia kuhura kura na njira ya thayo na magie uge magicagura atongoria ao.
The Bible says men cast their lots, but God determines the outcome. Men and women are going to cast their votes on the 8th of August. The outcome belongs to God.
We search ourselves and have integrity. Do not pretend and hope that you produce leaders of integrity. They come from us.
We hope, sincerely hope, everything will go well and Kenya will progress further. Long live Kenya.
Honge itiganite ta kamiti ya ithurano na ruhonge rwa ugitiri ona cioniririkanetwo mahoya-ini maya niguo mahote gukinyiriria wira wao uria mehokeirwo na njira ya wigiririki.
All of us managing other institutions, the police service should deal with the Kenyan people fairly and with justice. And we, the religious fraternity, should deal with all of us fairly and with justice.
Citigarite thiko 11 mbere ya githurano kinene atongoria a dini itiganite guku bururi-ini mokite hamwe kuhoera bururi oro hamwe na kuririkania a Kenya bata wa kuiga thayo urumwe na wiguithanio ihinda-ini riri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.